Hey, VCube7 here. Today, I will be showing you a trick you can do with the 5x5, the 3x3, and the 7x7. So, I will do it now. I call this Bullsey. I will undo it and show you how to do it. So, first, start on any side you want to do. I start on the red, white, and blue side. Now, what you want to do is switch these tiny centers. In that case, do right inverted, down inverted, right, down for the middle layers. Then you have to switch them. Then do down inverted, right inverted, down, right. For the three big inner layers, to switch this whole thing, then you've got Bullsey. Now, to undo it, you just line up this red square with this red square with this red square. Then this white with this white. Then bring them back up. Then bring them back over. Then line up this red dot with these lines. Then line up this blue dot with these blue lines. Then bring them back. Then bring them back. There you go. I have already made a tutorial on how to take this apart and reassemble it. If you want to cheat, if you want to lubricate it, all that stuff, I have made a tutorial for you. Bye.